How to make money online, 5,000 plus. Copying, pasting, no cost. Hey guys, welcome back to Money Mastery Ideas. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can make $5,000 or more just by copying and pasting online. No investment needed, no skills required, and yes, it's 100% legit. If you've ever wanted a simple way to make money online, this is it. So grab a notebook, hit that like button, and stick around till the end, because I'll be dropping a bonus tip that could help you scale this method even further. 1. The method overview. Alright, let's get right into it. The method we'll be using today revolves around leveraging free online tools and platforms that do the hard work for you. All you have to do is copy and paste, and I'll show you exactly how. We're going to be using a combination of Google, free AI tools, and freelance marketplaces to generate money. And the best part, you don't need any experience or upfront investment. 2. Choosing the right niche. The first step is choosing a high-demand niche where people are already spending money. Here are a few great options. Content writing, article spinning, product descriptions for e-commerce, social media captions, resume, writing, YouTube script writing, yep, just like this. If you go to Fiverr and search for product descriptions, you'll see people charging $10 to $50 per description. That means you could be making $100 per day easily just copying and pasting. First, finding clients now. How do we find people willing to pay us for this simple work? Here's where things get interesting. Freelance marketplaces. Sign up for Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour. Create a gig offering to write product descriptions, blog posts or social media captions, Facebook groups, Reddit. Join business-related groups, post value, and offer your services. Cold outreach on LinkedIn. Find small business owners and offer them your help. Trust me, there are tons of people looking for these services every day. For the copy-paste strategy, here comes the magic part. Actually doing the work without writing a single word yourself. Here's how. Use ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to generate content for you. Example prompt. Write a 200-word product description for a luxury watch. Boom. Instant content. Paraphrase with Quillbot. If you need to make the text unique, run it through Quillbot.com for rewording. Format in Google Docs, copy, paste, and make minor edits in Google Docs to clean it up. Now you have a ready-made product description or blog post that you can deliver to clients in minutes. 5. Scaling to 5,000 plus. Okay, but how do we scale this to $5 or plus per month? Here's what you do. Start with 5 clients at $10 per task. Easy, right? Increase your rate. As you get good reviews, outsource work to other freelancers and keep a profit margin. Offer package deals. 5 descriptions for $50 instead of $10 each. This method is all about volume and efficiency. The more you deliver, the more money you make. It's as simple as that. Bonus tip: automating for passive income. As promised, here's a bonus tip. Once you get good at this, you can turn it into passive income. Create digital products, compile your best templates, and sell them on Gumroad or Etsy. Build a niche website, use Google Sites or WordPress to showcase your services and attract clients passively. Use Canva for social media posts. Automate client engagement with pre-made templates. This way, you're not just working for money, you're building assets that generate income for you on autopilot. That's it, guys. This is exactly how you can make $5,000 or more just copying and pasting online. The key is taking action. Don't just watch, actually try it. If you found this helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because I drop money-making videos like this every week. And before you go, comment below. What's your goal for making money online this year? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Alright, see you in the next one.